Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. 25 projects coming out to you, 5 a week for 5 weeks. We're in middle of week 5 now. No, middle of week 4. And this was the project I was going to make. And as you can see, I've used a couple of the snow domes to hold some chocolates. And I was kind of looking at it, and what my original plan was to finish this off, and I sort of was creating a wreath-like effect. And then when I got my foil balls out, I realised I only had 5 left, and I need 7 to fill it. And I film a couple of days worth of videos in one go, and I've just filmed the video you'll have seen on Monday with the beautiful ice crystal glitter, and I thought I'm going to make a simpler project. So what I did with the original one was I actually die cut the dome, so you can see I've got blue in the background here. I die cut the blue with the dome shape from the framelits, and then die cut a further circle, so I had a small bit. I decided that was really complicated, and I have to confess I like the look. I'm not loving the look, so I'm going to do a simplified version for you. So first things first, take off the backing of 1. So take that bit off, and obviously I've only got 5, so I'm going to use my glitter for you. I'm going to put a whole wad of glitter in there, and I'm going to put my chocolate foil balls in. And I'm going to take the backing off the inside of this one as well. Oh, I need a bit of ribbon first. Get the ribbon, make it slightly longer so that you can tie it to whatever it is you want to tie it to. And fold it over, and that will stick onto there, because obviously, and this is really strong glue. We ought to sell this glue. And line them up. Okay, that is completely, totally and utterly sealed with that beautiful snowy look inside. Fabulous. And like I said, what I'd done is I had die cut, I took a piece of seaside spray cardstock, I die cut out the shape that fits around the dome, and then I die cut a circle around it, so I got like a frame. I like the look, I don't love the look. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to have an overdose of glitter. Peel off that one. It's a glitter fest going on right here. I'm just pressing it with my fingers. One side done, and exactly the same on the other side. Press all of that down. Put it all over my hands. Oh, it's beautiful. If you didn't see my video on Monday, I described this as being like granulated sugar. This, I don't know what my American friends call it. This is the kind of sugar that you would spoon into a cup of coffee. So, how cute is that? I love it. You could add more decoration into it. You could add more decoration onto it. You could put some snowflakes on. Shall we stick some snowflakes? Let's have some snowflakes. I haven't got the stamp set handy, but you know what? Doesn't matter. Put some snowflakes on there. Actually, have I got glimmer paper? Oh, I have. I've got that handy. Oops. So you could have coloured ones. You could have frosty ones. All sorts, but I love it. I love the more simplified version than that one. that's a bit too big of an ornament for me, but obviously I wanted to cover up this blue, but I much prefer that. And how quick was that? Super quick. You could make loads of those. You get, how many do you get in a box? 10 in a box, so you're going to get 5 decorations. And yeah, normally I have loads of chocolate foil balls hanging around, but apparently not right now. And you only need 5 when you put the glitter inside. Love it. Easy peasy. That was super easy. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.